Good afternoon to all students taking their GCE O Level Chemistry paper 6092. We are going through the learning outcomes of this year paper to predict what could have been tested this year. So the green highlighted portion refer to the learning objective tested for last year. Blue refers to the learning outcome tested in the previous years. And then yellow refers to both. Okay, do pay attention to those marked in yellow and those marked in blue and those not marked at all. Okay, the green part, not saying don't focus, but less focus on them. Okay, but we have to study every outcome, but we emphasize more on those outcomes that are not tested last year. So we look at those that are no highlight, blue and yellow. Okay, with the priority to those not highlight, followed by blue and then the yellow. So the first topic will be on experimental chemistry. From last year paper 2, none of the objectives are tested last year. So must pay attention to them. Separation technique. Okay. Chromatography was already tested in practical, so there could be less of it this year. Okay, so look at the rest of the learning outcomes. Okay, like drying agents, collection of gases, and other separation techniques. For the next topic, particulate nature of metal. Okay, do pay attention to those in blue and not highlighted or yellow. This diffusion. Atomic structure on isotopes. Chemical bonding and structure. It will be tested every year without fail. So just focus on all for my advice. Okay. Although this is in green, but I do believe dot and cross could still be tested. Then the structure and properties of metals, everything. Chemical reactions on chemical calculations confirm come out 100%. Okay, so but do pay attention to those not highlighted, yellow and blue. Okay, empirical formula. Titration calculations. Okay, acid-base chemistry. I think the whole topic. Salts preparation, I feel that it's extremely important, not been tested for 2 years already. Ammonia, do pay attention as well. QA, yes, also. Okay, don't think that it came out for practical, will not come out for theory. That's wrong. Redox chemistry, yes, every year there will be some questions on it, but not heavy weightage. Okay, electrochem very important. You see, every time it will come out. Okay, so everything you must know very well. Do pay attention to hydrogen cell and the rest as well actually, in fact, it's everything Then periodic table, those in blue and those not highlighted ones. Transition matter, pay attention. Reactivity series, be very careful. They will always ask, but normally they don't ask as a whole question. They will integrate into one of the question. Yeah, so do pay attention. Energetic, yes, I feel that energetics is popular. Although it came out last year a bit but I feel that this time round they may ask students to draw either energy level or energy profile diagrams or do some calculations. Okay, rate of reactions, yes, as usual, but maybe the weightage not so much. I got a sense because it came out quite a lot last year. Then we have organic chemistry. No need to say so much. It is confirmed a lot, especially the new part on recycling of plastic. Pay attention to that. Hydrocarbons, yes, very important. The whole thing. Alcohols, ester, carboxylic acids, yes. Polymer, no need to argue. It will come out. Okay? But will not come out the difference between condensation and addition polymerization because that was tested last year. There will be other learning outcomes. All right? Maintaining air quality is a very popular question. It will come up, although the weightage is not a lot. It may come out as a database, but even if the database, it won't be so substantial because if it's a database question, most of the answer can be derived from the passage itself or from the data. But you still must have content knowledge. I realize that many O-level candidates are quite weak in this topic because they don't bother to remember details like the sources and the effect of the pollutants. They don't want to remember. They feel that it's quite redundant. I feel that there are still some questions dedicated to recall questions, factual questions that you must remember. Yes. So that's about it. Hope it helped you in this revision. All the best for your chemistry preparation.